Alright, so this video we're going to look at a work problem. Uh, I'll have several examples of these, 5 different examples. They won't all be like this, they'll all be different. Pumping water out of a tank, stretching a spring, you know, Hooke's Law. And so, check them out. But this one, the first one, it asks us how much work is done in lifting a 2.3 kilogram rock off the ground to put it on a table that is 1.3 meters high. All right, so it's not difficult. We know that work is equal to force times distance. Okay, so you can see we know the distance 1.3. That's the distance we want to lift at 1.3 meters. Now we need to figure out what the force is. Well, so we have the force is, well, it's a 2.3 kilogram rock, so that would be 2.3. And since it's in kilograms, we have to multiply it times 9.8 meters per second squared. That's the acceleration due to gravity, okay, to get the force. So this, when we multiply this, we get 22.54, and that is newtons, okay. Remember, this is newtons, okay, kilogram meters per second squared. Okay, so this would give us 22.54 newtons. That's the force. So the work is the force, which is 22.5, times the distance that we lift the object, which is 1.3 meters. And punch this into our calculator, we get 29.302, and that would be joules. Okay. All right, so let's take a look at this one. How much work is done in lifting a 15-pound weight 5 feet off the ground? All right, so this is the same thing. Work is equal to force times distance. Okay, and we know here that the force F, well, that's just the 15 pounds. Okay, when it's in pounds, you don't have to multiply it by anything like you do when it's in kilograms. Okay, and then we know the distance that we want to lift it is 5 feet. So we get the work is force times distance. So that's 15 times 5, which is 75, and then this is foot pounds. Okay, that's the work required to lift a 15-pound weight 5 feet off the ground. All right, so that's not too bad. Check out the other videos I have on work. Trying to do a bunch of different videos and trying to uh, get everything that you'll see, an example of everything that'll come up for you. All right, so thanks for watching. Give me a like, share, subscribe. See you later.